What's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Don Toliver in his new single called FWU. And I'm not gonna get too much into this intro, I'm just gonna play the song. This is FWU by Don Toliver.
I run a Benz up, I make it best. I wanna dance, baby, I ain't in no rush. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna fuck. The numbers private, they be doing sign language. I'm down with your friends and the hoes that you came with. Okay, I'm outside, wrap my baby in a blanket. Okay, I'm outside, you can meet me at the banquet.
So yeah, that was FWU by Don Toliver, and now I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals as always. So if I turn off all of these presets, this is what it sounds like. So yeah, that's my raw vocals, and now I'm gonna show you with the presets all turned on. This is what it sounds like.
I went and dance up, I make it best. I wanna dance, baby, I ain't in no rush. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna. I wanna fuck, which I'm tryna fuck. My diamonds private, they be doing sign language. Down with your friends and the hoes that you came with. Okay, I'm outside, got my baby in a blanket. Okay, I'm outside, you can meet me at the banquet.
So yeah, that's what all of those presets sound like, and all of these presets will be completely free. The only preset that isn't free is this master preset, which for this song I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is $10 on my website BNVLNT.shop. But if you'd rather get this whole FLP, which comes with the template ready to record in, as well as my Best Waves master preset and my stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will only be $15 on my website. That'll be the second link in the description if you're interested. But if you guys just want these free Don Toliver presets, they will be in the Discord. First link in the description. You just scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and they'll all be right here at the bottom. And then if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets to use, so go download those and go make some good music. But yeah, once you drag in these presets, make sure you set the reverb and delay bus up like this. I have the reverb set to 28% and the delay to 58%. If you have those default, if you just click down here, they'll be at 100% and it'll be just like all reverb. Here, I'll just show you real quick. This is what it'll sound like. So yeah, you definitely want to turn those down. And then also real quick, I'll show you guys my auto-tune settings for those of you that have different auto-tunes. This song was in the key of C minor. I used a retune speed of 2 and a humanize of 19. And then for the ad-lib, I did a retune speed of 2 and a humanize of 25. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all I got for this video. So if it helped you out, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.